Yo, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna do my April 25th recap. And today I actually lost again. But like I said, it's okay to lose in trading, especially because I'm a beginner trader, which it's inevitable that I don't lose. But anyways, let's just get to the charts. So for 25th, there was just this news. So it was good for today. And I actually took this trade, which I could have turned profit, not gonna lie. But yeah, I took shorts, but ended up getting stopped out. I think the first reason is because in the weekly we're obviously bullish, right? But in the daily we're consolidated, which I still like bearish if you think about it, but it's more consolidated. 4 hour I would have been bearish. 1 hour would have been again bearish. Again, I wouldn't trade it, just cause my everything is just like scrambled. My weekly is bullish, daily consolidated, 4 hour bearish, 1 hour bearish. So I would honestly stayed away from the markets from today. But this is a trade that I ended up taking. Go to the 15-minute. Like, I knew that these highs were gonna get hit, and I was honestly correct about it. Like, I knew and I was correct about it, but I decided to take shorts because of my daily. But honestly, I would have stayed away from gold, honestly, because again, the market is just everywhere in every time frame. But yeah, I ended up losing. I could have won a bit, but again, I would have. The best option would have been for me to stay out of this pair, which is gold, and trade another pair. But since it's the only pair that I'm trading right now, there's no need to trade today. There was no need to trade today. But I mean, it's okay. We learn from our losses. But yeah, I took this liquidity sweep. I don't think this a good liquidity sweep, if I'm being honest. I think that's another part that it also failed me. Because yeah, I didn't set a good liquidity. I can tell right now. What was this liquidity on the 5-minute mark? So again, it was go down. I enter out of this candlestick because why? The market was going like this, right? But again, if we go to the 15-minute mark, give me a second. This thing is an order blanc, which it did retest, but again, I think what caused me to it was the liquidity sweep and the daily, which caused me to lose. And I hold it for too long, I would say. If I would have wanted to take like little partial trades, I could have put my TP right here. My TPR right here, like in the middle. Then my stop loss over here, which would have been honestly 776, not great. But if I would have put it like around here, it would be a better trade. But again, I would have stayed out of this trade just because the market in every time frame is very different. So yeah, we ended up hitting this. Let me take out this line so not to confuse y'all. So keep it more clean. We ended up hitting this fair value gap in the 15-minute mark, which he retested again, which I should have honestly just put it right here if I wanted to make quick shorts. Again, I would place it right here, stop loss above this fair value gap. Just put it like a half, would have been a 2.01 risk reward ratio, not bad. But yes, this could have been a better trade that I could have took. Other than that, I obviously got stopped out. I think honestly it was because of my liquidity suite not being that strong. My liquidity suite daily bias, and I was on the market for too long, and today I actually waited for the market to develop a little bit, which that's great. I mean, I could have taken TP right here. It almost would have hit like full fair value gap, but honestly I would have put it right here in the middle just to be a little bit safer. But at the end I just got stopped out because of this wick to the upside. But yeah, I lost on paper trading. $17,556. Honestly, super bad if I would say so. Because I also took partial trades, other trades, because I honestly wanted to place sell limits at this point. Because again, I told you I was taking shorts at this point. And then I was trying to hit for this fair value gap in the 15 for these fair value gaps. But I don't know, I think it didn't went through or I did something wrong. But the limit orders turned into market orders. I don't know why. But yeah, once you can say I took like 2, I was confused. But that's why it was 17. If I wouldn't have done that, I would have been like 3,000, negative 3,000. But on my real account, I lost. Give me a second. I lost $22 on my real account. $22.52. Which is, I mean, yeah, it's a mistake I took. Not gonna fuss about it, cause again, having mistakes on the market is inevitable. That you just keep winning every time, and you will honestly have losses, even if you're a profitable trader. Yeah, for tomorrow, I'm not gonna make no videos. I'm just gonna focus on reviewing my videos that I took this week, and take notes on which areas I can improve. And then for Sunday, I'm gonna do like what I'm gonna be trading on the day. So probably I'm gonna do this. Probably I'm gonna do this tomorrow. Well, in the morning, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna trade, what my weekly is gonna be like, when I'm gonna trade, and then probably Sunday, I'm gonna just watch the videos and just get notes on it in order notes so I can know where to improve. Yeah, I'm gonna take notes on my videos for this week in which areas I can improve. But yeah, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I'm gonna post a video of what is my next week trading will look like. But yeah, other than that, that's it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. See ya.